Hi, let me show you an induction pot from Royal Catering. This particular model has a 12-litre capacity and it's really heavy-duty, high-grade stainless steel construction, which means it is suitable for any kitchen in the world. So you can use it with an induction stove, you can use it with a gas stove or electrical or halogen, or you can put it in fire. That's how solid it is. So let me just go through some of the features. So first of all, you have a lid that produces a really tight fit with a metal handle on it. The flared edge that reduces the dripping. Also two handles. Just remember these are made of metal, so they may get hot during service. So just remember to always lift it with both hands and use a rug, kitchen rug or kitchen mittens. What's really important is the base of the pot, which is a sandwich construction. So it means there's several layers with aluminium, steel, and so on that produce a really heavy base, so they conduct the heat really well. All right, so if you are looking for a pot of this size, you may also be interested in different sizes as well. So have a look at the website. There's a whole range of these pots on offer. Each and every one comes with a 3-year warranty, so it speaks for itself. That's how solid they are. And the producer made sure they packed really well in a cardboard box with a separate box for the lid. So it means that it will not move around and get scratches on it even when it gets dropped. So that is about it. If you found this informative, just leave me a comment on the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.